बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज मैं आपके साथ चिकन पाइनएप्पल की रेसिपी शेयर करूंगी और सबसे पहले मैं आपको चिकन की मैरिनेशन बताऊंगी। तो जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स इसके लिए हैं वो आप नोट कर लें। बोनलेस चिकन हाफ kg and it's thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 2 tablespoon soy sauce। मैरिनेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम इसमें ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐड करेंगे चिकन में। and 2 tablespoon soy sauce। Rest of the soy sauce will be added in gravy। Combine them together, mix them well. Your chicken pieces should be coated well with flour and corn flour, and of course rest of the things too. Keep mixing and you have to keep this for 30 minutes. जब तक ये मैरिनेट होती है मैं आपको ग्रेवी के इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हैं वो नोट करवा देती हूँ। For this, you need 300 grams of pineapple, and these are pineapple chunks, 1 large capsicum diced, 1 large carrot thinly sliced, 3 cups chicken broth, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 large onion diced, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt and 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons sugar and 3 tablespoons of corn flour for thickening. Now first of all, we are going to fry our chicken. 30 minutes have passed and heat oil in a wok and start frying chicken pieces. Chicken already हमारी marinated है for 30 minutes, so we are going to fry it. Keep them separately in the wok. चिकन फ्राई हो गई है और आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट आउट नाउ। In fact, I've fried all the chicken pieces. Drain them properly and then take them out. इसी में आपने अब ग्रेवी बनानी है। ऑयल ये ज़्यादा है तो आपने इसमें जस्ट सारा ऑयल निकाल लेना है। जस्ट लीव इट विद 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now grate the garlic in it. Oops, I dropped one, but my garlic is saved. गार्लिक हमने ब्राउन नहीं करना, उतना ही करना है, मतलब कि बस इसको हल्का सा सोटे करना है, ब्राउन नहीं होगा ये। Add capsicum, keep mixing and keep the flame high. Now add carrots. Carrots are thinly sliced. Keep mixing. Now add onions. You can see the beautiful color of vegetables. Now add 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Keep stirring. Add vinegar. That is 1 tablespoon. pineapple juice 1 cup. Keep the flame high so that it can start boiling soon. Add salt and pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Bring them to a boil. Now add pineapple chunks. That was my favorite part. Add 3 cups of chicken broth. Bring them to a boil first. Vegetables are looking really beautiful and colorful. Now we are going to add fried chicken in it. Mix everything well and bring them to a boil. Once it starts boiling, then we will add corn flour mixed with water. That is 3 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Gravy has started to thicken now. Cook it for 5 more minutes and then we will dish it out. Keep mixing so that corn flour is evenly distributed. Now let's dish out. Chicken pineapple is ready and I have served them with egg fried rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my recipe, please share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more video. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.